Hello everyone, Vaughn Marie here and welcome to the Catscrappiness YouTube channel. So I have a fun New Year's card to make with you today, and we're going to be using the new Cowboy Quokka stamp set, craft dies, and we're also using some sentiments, and I'm using a Happy New Year word die and shadow, or actually it's just a word die, but I didn't see it on the website, so other options you can do are you can use the cheers word die, or we have letters on the website, so you can also spell out New Year's. So that's another option, and I'm sure there's other options, but I'll list a couple for you. And hopefully this word New Year's comes back in stock. I'm just going to be using, this is the bandana background stencil, and I embossed it with some rose gold embossing powder, and I thought that would be a fun color for my background today. And I really love these Cowboy Quokka, this release. It's so much fun, and I've just been having a lot of fun and compliments on these cute stamps and ephemera, and the paper is just amazing as well. So I am just embossing it, and it's taking me a while. I think my heat gun wasn't hot enough, and so that is why it took me a little longer to heat emboss the background, but I think it looks great, and I just needed a little bit of it for my background, but I'm going to use that whole page there, that whole panel. And so next I am going to I also heat emboss some cardstock so I can do that word, but like I said, you can do the letters, or you can just stamp a sentiment that says Happy New Year. So either way, also or it could be just a different kind of card. It could be a birthday card, either or. These Cowboy Quokka stamps and ephemera work with anything, so that's what I love about it. And I'm super excited because I love cowboy boots and I love hats, and so this release has me really excited. So now I'm just going to heat emboss my images, and I'm just going to, I believe I'm going to emboss them in black, and then I will color them in with my alcohol markers, and I will leave what I used down below in case you're interested. I just do really simple coloring, fun coloring, but simple. And so I will just again use my heat tool and heat up the powder here, and my gun seems to be a little bit faster this time. And I love the color combo that I went with for this card, and I would probably want to make another one of these because I thought it was really cute. And I'm just using my E markers, E70 and E71 for the Quokkas there. And then I do use some B markers, and I do use T markers as well, probably for their boots. I give them some cheeks with the R12. So again, I will put that in there. I did a card recently with some teals, and I really love that card, and I just mailed that card out to my husband's aunt, so I'm hoping she loves it. And I explained that they were quokkas because sometimes I get that they are bears, but they are quokkas, and I believe they're in Australia, and I would love to see one in real life. So, and I know a crafter showed me a picture of one in real life when she went to Australia, so that was really fun to see them. So they are really cute, and they do exist in real life. So yay, so I'm super excited when we get all kinds of new releases with the Quokkas. And just finishing up, and I do have those boots in Cactus there, and I love all the accessories. There's also a sunflower, there's a horseshoe, and I'm just showing you what they look like to kind of, is the ephemera. I wanted to kind of mimic a little bit of it. So I like that you can look at the ephemera or the paper and get ideas of, like, is that pants or is it the Quokka's leg, or and I think I just kept it as the Quokka's like fur. And finishing up with his boots, and then I do love this blue combo, the B97 and the B93, so that is like my favorite blue combo for denim. And I love the ephemera is really fun. I think I made a few cards with it, and that's why I decided to do some coloring with the stamps. I wanted them to get some love. And next is the hat, so I'm trying to match with the same colors here, so that's always easiest too. So here is my coloring for everything. I love the cactus, I think it's fun. Next I am using a rectangle die and this is the stitched wacky frame craft dies, and I cut that out. And then I use some pattern paper from the Cowboy Quokka paper pad, and I'm putting those together. And this is an A2 card base, and I love the cow print on that as well. And we also have a stencil, so super fun. So I'm just going to be putting my card together, and I almost put the ephemera, but I remembered I had colored and stamped an image, so just gluing everything. And I think I might have used foam tape just for the sentiment, but I think everything else is with liquid glue. Yes, super cute. I love how it came out, really fun. So I hope you try embossing the background. It's actually really fast. I should do it more often. And then I will be using some sequins also from the white diamond sequin mix right there on the left. And there I did stamp my sentiment to match, and it says chin up, boots down. Love it. And there is my Happy New Year word. And I believe it's, I cut it out one other time with gray cardstock there. And next is just my embellishments, and then I believe I do use a white jelly roll pen for some white gel pen accents on my Quokkas and images. But overall, this card came together pretty quickly, I would have to say, and that's why I don't mind making more of these, because I do love quick and easy and cute cards. So I think it would be fun to receive one of these cards in the mail. And just using my tool here from Catscrappiness, and like I said, I will have everything listed below, and I will have my links, as that helps me as well. So here is my gel pen, and I'm just going to show a close-up. So Happy New Year, and I will see you next year with another video. So thank you for joining me, and have a wonderful day. And here is a close-up.